Got a 2019 Chevy Impala. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your remote. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and hit the key button, flip it out. And all you do is take this cover off the back right here. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver. And I'm going to pry on it right here towards the middle. Okay, you kind of just push on it. You can see how this cover comes right off right here, okay? Now you just pry the battery right out. It comes right out nice and easy. We'll get the new one. I'll show you what size we got. Here is new battery, and the battery size is the CR2032. Positive sign, we have it facing up. We just put it back in there. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for some batteries if you want to go to Amazon and pick up some batteries. So take a look at that. They're real cheap. They're like $5 for $5. So you just get the cover and we just put it back on, snap the box back on, and we're all done. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. If it was helpful, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.